Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadiji Makeovers right here. So today we are going to be talking about budget-friendly makeup tutorial. Yes, today I'm going to be talking about budget-friendly makeup tutorial. Yes, for those of you, you know the economy is hard and all of you are like, makeup is expensive. So I want to really do a very low budget makeup tutorial for you today. So most of these things I'm using today are for my students. Some of them use some of these products. So as you can see, at first the micellar water we used is just 5,000 naira. Then this blossom moisturizer, yes, and of course lip balm. I did not put lip balm there because yeah, you know the price now. This face primer is 12,000 naira now. We used to buy it for like 6,000 before, 8,000, but it's now 12,000 naira. So as you can see, you just want to fan that down so that it still sit properly. Next, I'm going to be using the V Beauty foundation, 5,200 naira. You see, things are not easy in Nigeria these days. I don't know if it's everywhere, but the economy is not smiling. And people are really opting out of this makeup business thing because of the way things are expensive and all of that. So I decided to just do a makeup tutorial on a budget friendly products that you can use. So this is a Vo blush palette. I bought it for 9,500 naira. This is my own product. And yeah, so I'm going to be applying that. The cream, this blush has a cream part and also has a powder part. So I'm using the cream part because we are on the cream process now. So this is the Nuban Beauty concealer. Is 9,500 naira. Used to buy this concealer. I think they say it's even 11,000 now. But sure, this is how I bought this one, 9,500 naira. So you're going to apply that on the middle part of the face, the forehead, the nose, the under eyes, so that you lift up, give the face a little bit of lift. So I'm using a brush to blend it. Yes, and then I'll move on to Beauty Blender so that it's smoothing out perfectly. So this is the Lesisco setting powder. It's also 5,000 naira. So I'm just going to set under the eyes with this before we bake. This is just the setting. And I'm going to move on to the Lesisco powder palette. These products, they are very good. Oh, that's budget friendly, very good. My students use most of these products, and some of them are my own. So I decided to just do a tutorial on this. Okay, so look at it. I'm using the powder. I'm just going to be setting her face. You want to set that properly. You see how it sits in perfectly and properly. So it depends on how your makeup technique is. If not, if the product is good, is good. It depends on how you also do that too. So I'm going to be using the powder part of the Avo blush, which is 9,500 naira. I'm going to be applying the powder parts on her. Then bronzing the whole face. The same Lesisco setting powder. It's time to bake. The first one I did was to set the concealer. Then this is the baking part. Guys, if you know how to manage your setting powder, you're not supposed to apply setting powder all over the face. The way some people will pack setting powder, your setting powder is supposed to last you for like, let's say, 3 months or less. You get. So next, moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the Pineapple Cosmetics brow tint to tint her brows, which is 5,000 naira. You see, this one is affordable, very affordable. You don't want to call this product cheap because they are good. They are just affordable. Going back to the Nuban Beauty Concealer, 9,500 naira. I'm going to be using it to clean her brows. As you can see, we did the lower part with the concealer, then I'm using the remnants of the foundation to do the upper part of the brows. Next, I'm moving on to this brow tint, the Carite brow gel, sorry. I'm going to be outlining her brows with that. Then, moving on, I'm using this random primer that my student has, which is 2,000 naira. Is also very good. You just want to blend it in properly, then you just apply your eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is for me. It's 115,000 naira now. Huda Beauty. So if you know it's not going to work for you, you can get other palettes, so Nigerian products like the one I'm going to use next. Now, I have two options for you guys. This is my own Huda Beauty eyeshadow, but this is also my own, but it's budget friendly. 11,000 naira. The Debbie Luster nude syrup eyeshadow is 11,000 naira. So I'm going to use that to do that so that I'll show you. You can also get a cheaper eyeshadow. Then the eyeliner I'm using is from the same Carite gel. Is black. Then this mascara is 2,500 naira. can also see that it's very good, it dries up easily and all of that. Next is this liquid eyeliner, 2000 naira. It's from Kiss Beauty. It's also very black and also very good, it dries up easily. And moving on to the lips, I'm using the Carite brow gel to do her lip, the outer part of the lips. As you can see too, it's very good. Then the Bicham Ageless Lip Palette, I'm using how to do her lip. And this is what the outcome is. Guys, if you know how to manage yourself, you do your makeup and also you will collect your money. Forget about my accent. So I'm using the same Lesisco powder palette to set the whole face. As you can see, look at it, how beautiful she looks. Then the Odogu of all, the Damini setting spray. Guys, go and buy this setting spray. I'm not lying. And this is just the perfect setting spray for you now as a budget friendly worker, makeup artist, sorry. So as you can see how everything is just setting down. This lip gloss was 200 naira before. Absolute is now 600 naira. So as you can see, we're just going to line up the lips. Maybe by tomorrow, if you go to the market, it's going to be like 1,000. I don't know. But this is the whole budget-friendly makeup look. See how beautiful she looks. And I told you, this girl was sitting in the studio till evening and it was looking very beautiful. So totaling everything up, we have 100,000 naira. So plus the eyeshadow, it's totaling 215,000 naira. That's my Huda Beauty eyeshadow. This is the final look. See how beautiful she looks. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Yeah.